Hello friend, this is SK Tariqul Islam and I welcome to you my YouTube channels, and in this channel I am going to discuss with all the topics related to Python learning. Those who are beginner like me, they are going to be benefited because as a beginner it is very important to understand the concept and to memorize, no, not actually memorize, to make your concept very clear. So I hope and believe that if you follow all the contents in my channel, and if you keep in touch with my channel and regularly watch my video, your each and every concept regarding Python learning will be very clear. Being a data scientist or any Python programmer, knowing the syntax and getting the concept very clear is important. So I request you to stick to my channel, must subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that every time I upload any new content you get a notifications. And if you like my video or my tutorial, please comment below. And also I will be expecting a thumbs up if you feel that yes, the content is helpful for you. And if you have any suggestion even, please I request you to give your suggestions in the comment box. This will help me to improve my content, improve my videos. So now I am not going to make this video longer. I will try my level best to keep the video shorter so that it becomes interactive. And today I'm going to take help from one of our renowned websites to learn programming called W3 School. I hope that you are also well known with this, because those who are interested in learning programming language, they must visit this website. This is very helpful. I take help, and everyone around me, those who are interested in learning programming, they are also taking help from this website. So I strongly recommend to follow this website, because from here you will go to learn lots of documentation, context and the syntax, and whenever you need you can implement it. I'm not going to make anything complex. Just I will make everything very simple and easy. So let's jump into the topic, and our today's topic is Python sorting a list. How we can sort the elements or the items within a list. So what are the syntax? And this is very common syntax we got to use. We will be using the sort methods. This is also a built-in functions in Python. Since Python is an object-oriented program, so we define any function as a method, and we will be using some method, and we'll be sorting the alphanumerical items in a list, also some numerical things, and ascending order, descending order, uppercase, lowercase. So there might be lots of problem while we'll be solving some problems or mathematical problem or any data analysis or any other day-to-day activities. So initially we got to sort these data in order to get a clean data set, because until and unless the data set is clean, it is hard for every data scientist or data analyst to execute the program. So this is a very important concept, and the syntax is very important. I hope you will be very sincere to learn this, and this is going to help you for a long run. So let's not talk up more. So directly we will jump into this website. The name of the website is called W3 School, and here we have seen that we have initially we will be learning how we can use the sort method. Okay, and and how we can solve the alphanumerical or string solutions or something like that. Here here is a set is given, and name is the list is this list, so I make it X, and I hope this will be very helpful. So what I can see, what this X means, this X is a set where this list contains some fruits: orange, mango, kiwi, pineapple, and banana. And I got to sort it, and if and always the sorting is done as per the ascending order. So it means first one come first, like alphabetically, the first letter will come from. So here I can see the banana is um, going to come at the first, and if I hit the enter, and I can see that as per the alphabetical order B, uh, if I just zoom it out, you can see B comes at the beginning, after that K, then M, then O, and rest of that. So this is order, alphabetical order. This sort function actually executes. So we can do we can do a reverse as well, and this also follows the numerical things. If I write some other things like, what should I say for example, 100, 200, 93 or something, let's not so what this sort will do, this sort will bring 39 at the first, then 100 and 200. You just see, because this is also following the ascending order, that is small letter will come forward, or not actually a small order, that is the beginning or the first elements will come forward, gradually it will increase. So then this is called the ascending order of any list. After that, if we just use so this is another uh, syntax. So what we did, we asked the compiler to reverse it. Reverse means the lower or the end value should come first. This method is called descending order. That is, the bigger value or the lower value or the end value of any list will come forward, then the earlier value or the smaller value will come at the end. So these are two things we will have to use in our day-to-day life very often. And I hope you are clear, and if you are not clear, please write your questions or any suggestions you have in the comment box. I'm sure I'm going to answer this. So let's see what can we do. We have already seen these things, and also we have seen the descending order. Then now we will see the customized sort functions. Okay, if we define any function and I want that any value which are related to 50 or anything which is related to, since the sort methods or the sort things always follows some orders, so I want that anything will come at the beginning. And what can I do? That is I know that is you already understand what this function is going to do. I have here has made a function or define a function, and we know that whenever we are going to define any function, we need to use the syntax called def. Then the name of the function is my function, and I have enclosed with a variable or any values is n. And what I want, that I want returns of abs, it means absolute value, n minus 1 or n nearer to 1. So I have made a list, and the name of the list is x. Okay, and I have asked this sort. I have used this sort method, and I have used this key value my function. That is, this is as simple as it is. Can you remember that is in my previous syntax? I have used I have used reverse methods, and here instead of reverse I will use key method. That is, I'm going to return this functions, and I am going to calling these functions. This I'll make you clear when I will discuss about the dictionary concept. So it means if I call this function over here, then if I print this function, that what this function will do, this function will print the value nearer to 50. That is, say for example, this value is nearer to 50, then this value is nearer to 50, this value is nearer to 50. So at first 50 will be printed, then 65, then this, then 100. So it means what I want, I am asking the compiler to print the value who is closer to 50. So while we'll be working with large number or huge number of the data, then it might so happen that we need to find some value which is nearer to me, or nearer to my desired value. Say then this sort syntax is going to be a very helpful one. So if I just print it, I have already told you. So first 50, then 65, then 23, then 82, then 100. So apparently this is not ascending order or some descending order. This is a function I have called that, and I'm asking the compiler to sort as per the function which is defined above. And for what I am asking, that is to pull those value and arrange those items in a such a way that these items get related to, or sorry, closer to 50. So this is another important syntax we must be learning, and we must remember very carefully. Then case sensitive sort. Then what's this case sensitive sort? Usually while we'll be sorting, then capital letter will stands at the beginning and the small letter will stands at the end. Say for example, for this one, I can see that I have defined a list, and I have asked the compiler to print this list, and where I will be observing that the capital letter, and not only the capital letter, the capital letter and as per the ascending order will be arranged. So if I just this, so first K comes closer and comes earlier, and after the O, then B and C. So these are actually arranged in ascending order, but the capital letter will come at the beginning. But if I just use another thing, that is this just value, then what we'll do, this function will just return key string lower. It means the lowercase as per the ascending order will come forward. You see, here I can see the banana and the cherry has come forward, where the kiwi and the orange went later. So this is actually the mechanism, that is the syntax, then the power of a syntax. I have just called the functions or the methods, and I have told the compiler the string value having lowercase come forward, and the string has sorted, the compiler has sorted these things. And let's another thing, and the reverse word, I have told you that I can directly print it this one. Previously what I did, I wrote here sort, then I printed that reverse equal to not true, but just not writing all those things. If I directly print this one, I can see that the reverse thing, that is the end value or end item in the list will come at the beginning, and there is no sorting thing or something like that. It does directly the items in the list will be printed as in a reverse format, that is end items of a list will come forward. So these are some important things I had to share with you. I hope you liked my content, and if you have any questions, please write your comments, or write your question in the comment box. Or also, if you have any suggestion, please I request you to suggest me. Even if you want, you can criticize me. If you like my video, then give a thumbs up, And I again request you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon, uh, because the more you response, the more you shows your interest, this motivates the content creator to create better content. As you can see, that is the objectives of this channel was to learn Python for myself, also to improve my communication skills, so or my English speaking skill. Today I can see that my communication skill or my English spoken skill went much more fluent than the previous one, because at the beginning when I started this channel, then my English was like horrible, and gradually it is improving. So, being a data scientist, not as an analyst or the scientist or the data engineer, is enough. We got to be a very good presenter as well, so that I can let people know, or let my superior know, that is what is the insights of a data, and how this data is being playing around us to make productive decisions for our company as well as for any other organizations, or any, say for example, right now the COVID situation is going on. So if we can analyze the COVID data from various source, then we can predict actually when the wave is coming and what is the impact of the wave, how much yeah, affects these COVID scenario in our daily life, social life, even national life. So I request you to stay safe and always use hand sanitizer before you touch anything or eat anything. Must wear mask, and also don't go outside until it is necessary, because COVID is like a random variable. Okay, so this is changing his own genome sequence or characteristics every day, every moment. Last day it was the delta plus, so right now it is lambda. So I don't know where it is going to be close or the ends, whether any a permanent vaccine will come to us not. But I nothing doing. Pray to Almighty Allah, and also pray for yourself. Stay safe, keep your family safe, and don't go outside until it is necessary. And if you go outside, even try to be be hygiene. Use your hand sanitizer and other tools to get rid of these deadly virus, which has already taken lots of people's, our relatives, friends from this world. Thank you so much for watching my content, my video, and if you like and if you are benefited from this video, I'll be more than happy. And your comments, subscriptions, notifications, suggestion, criticism will motivate me to make wonderful content in future. I hope you guys can see my development. So if you start, even you don't have any programming language or any technical background or programming background, you can do that. If I can do that, then definitely you can do that. So stay safe. Bye bye.